Hey art friends, today we're going to draw Lonely Batman for Valentine's Day. I hope you're excited to follow along with me. For this lesson, we're just using our markers to draw and color with. All right, let's get started. Let's start by drawing the side of Batman's head. We're going to draw two lines straight down our paper. This is for the left side and the right side. Then we're going to draw the chin, the bottom of his head. I'm going to draw a curve that comes across to the other side. And I'm also going to make his ears a little taller on both sides. Then we can draw a diagonal line for each ear coming in. And then we can also draw the top of his head. We'll draw a rainbow line connecting the two together. This ear is a little skinnier than this side, so maybe I'll make it slightly higher and also connect it in further. This will color in black, so it's okay. This line will disappear. Now let's draw his mask. We're going to draw a point in the middle of his face, and then we'll draw a diagonal line going up on the left and also up on the right. Then we can connect the left side on and the right side. Okay, now let's draw his eyes. I'm going to draw him angry. He's a little grumpy because he's lonely. We're going to draw two diagonal lines on each side. And then we can draw the bottom of his eyes with a smile line on both sides. Now you could also add a mouth, but I'm going to leave it off. Now let's draw his body. We're going to draw two curves coming down from his chin. And then we can connect those at the bottom also. And now let's draw his belt. I'm going to draw two lines going across his belly and then two lines going down for the buckle. We could also add two other lines for his utility belt or the little pockets for his gadgets. Then we can also draw his legs next. Let's draw a small upside down square letter U or a square. Then we can draw his pants. And then we can draw his boots. We'll draw another line going across. Next, let's draw his arms. And we could draw this arm on the left side. We'll draw it down by his side. But this arm on the right, we're going to draw it sticking out and he's hanging onto his balloon. Then we can draw his gloves next. We'll draw a diagonal line going across his arm on this side and then a line straight down on the right side. Now let's draw the spikes on his gloves. I'm going to just add three small spikes. And on this side, we could draw the spikes going down. Before we draw more stuff, let's color in a few things. We'll color in his gloves, solid black, and also his, I don't know, it kind of looks like his underwear, but his costume. Then we can also color his boots. And we could color his mask too, but maybe we'll save that for later. Let's draw the symbol, his bat symbol on his chest. I'm going to draw the letter V for the bat head, and then we can draw a line across. It's really small. We're going to try to fit it in. Then we can draw a curve coming out on the left and also on the right. And then we can draw two upside down U's or two kind of rainbow lines. Yeah. And on the other side too for the other wings. And we can color those in. All right, cool. Now let's also give him a cape. We can draw a diagonal line coming out on the left and also on the right. And then we'll draw a rainbow line on both sides. Okay, now for the best part, we're going to draw his Valentine's balloon. We're going to draw him hanging onto the string, and we can draw a little curve for the end of the balloon. And then let's draw the balloon up here. Let's first draw a triangle for the bottom of the balloon, and then we'll add a guide point up here. I'm going to draw it about that high, straight up. Then we'll draw the left side of the balloon curving around and then into the bottom. And then we'll draw the right side of the heart to match. We did it. All right, except we still need to color it. This part we'll fast forward, but at the end you can pause the video and take time to color your drawings. We did it, we finished coloring Batman. He looks so much better, and I hope you'll take time to color your drawings. You can even add more things like Gotham. You could draw the entire city in the background, or you could also add Catwoman. That would cheer him up. I also added the smile because I think it makes him more grumpy. And I hope you had a lot of fun following along with me, and we'll see you later, our friends. Goodbye.